Hi YouTube, Angie here. Thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to try our hands at making candles. Yes, candles. I've been seeing these type of candles everywhere. And the price of them, I was like, ooh, I bet you I can do that myself. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to try our hands at making these type of candles. I want to utilize them on our front porch. I'll be doing that makeover soon. So I wanted to see what it is that I can do. I've got the supplies. I've got the hands. So we're going to go ahead and give it a try. Let's go. Okay, so for today, for our project, for making the candles, what you're gonna need is some candles. I have these left over from my sister and I have a event planning business where we do weddings and receptions and different events. And these were like candles that I had in my stash already. So I'm going to be utilizing these candles. I'm going to be melting these down. And this is like a candle like someone would have at their wedding, you know, up at the front that they would light. And these would be the ones like the parents would light. So I'm going to melt this down too because I don't need it anymore. And then I have these bowls. I picked up these bowls at Walmart, and they are actually the design that I want for the front porch. Those are $2, and I have a couple other bowls that I'm going to, I like this one. I like the contrast of it, and I thought about utilizing that one. And I like the lip on this one. I like that one. So I'm trying to decide whether I'm going to do two like this, and then one of these. I'm still deciding. I'm going to see how much candles that I have melted down. I'm going to do the first one, and then I'll see how much candle I have left over. And then these are, you know, the same thing like wedding candles. These are silver, but underneath them is the white. And I'm going to try to cipher off the silver once it melts down. We'll see how that goes. We'll see how that goes. And you're going to need some scissors because you're going to need to pick up some wicks. I got these at JoAnn Fabrics, and I'll put that information down below. They were like $5. And they're kind of long, so I'm going to cut them down, but you're going to need to get some extra wicks. I know you might think that maybe I could use the wicks out of here, but I'm not sure if that's going to be something that I could do. So I went on ahead and purchased some wicks. And then I picked this up as well. This here, let's see if we can get that to focus. This is called Black Tie, and to me this is going to smell like my husband. Ooh, so I like this fragrance, and so I'm going to drop some of this into the candle once it's melted. And you can use essential oils in your candle when you make it, of fragrance that you like, or you can pick this up. I picked this up at JoAnn Fabrics. I can't remember exactly how much it is, but I'll put the link down below. This is called Black Tie. So we're going to use that, and then you're going to need to have yourself a big pot. Need a big pot, and I got a glass bowl in there that I'm going to put the candles in and actually let it melt in there. That way I'll be able to pick this up out of here and pour it into the bowl so that I can go ahead and create my candles. So let's go ahead and give it a go. Okay, so as you can see, it is boiling, and I thought about something else. I have a small crock pot, it's called a little dipper. So I'm gonna also try to melt some of the candles in that, so I can kind of like speed this process up. But this is melting perfectly, so we'll see. Here's the little dipper. I plugged it in, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some candles in here. This is gonna heat up and it's gonna melt them as well. So I'm gonna have two things going to get this wax melted. All right. So while that's boiling, we're gonna go ahead and set up our bowl. And I forgot to tell you, you're gonna need like some sticks, some skewers. I got these at the dollar store, and these are gonna help keep your wicks standing up straight. So we're gonna pull out our wicks. And for this side bowl, I'm gonna use three. I'm gonna use three in this bowl. So I'm gonna cut the wick down to there. It's kind of long, but I'm gonna leave it that length. Set that to the side, and to keep them standing, when I pour the wax in, I'm gonna roll it onto the skewer. And place it down, stand it up that way. Okay, and I'm going to do that for each one of my wicks. This is ready for when I pour the wax in over it. So how's your day going? Hopefully your days are going very well. That you're doing fine. I'm gonna need a lot of wax. Okay, so I broke down and I started utilizing an old pot that I have that I may just discard, and I put the larger one in there, and it is melting very well, as you can see. And these over here, they have melted pretty good too, so I'm still putting candles in there and melting them. And the little dipper is not doing as well as I thought it was going to be doing, so I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna leave those over there, but I'm gonna stick with this method a lot more, and with my pot. and we'll see how it goes from there. Okay, so this one, the big one actually melted a lot sooner. So what you want to do is you want to pour it in to your bowl. Let's see how much we will make with the big candle. Wow. Wow, that's actually pretty good. Wow. So have there, and I wanted to add my black tie fragrance to it before it hardens up, and I'm gonna add that to it so that when it melts you'll smell it. So I added that to it. And I'm going to melt a couple more, and I think I'll be able to do all 4 of the bowls and go from there. And these will actually sit out. Oh, that's hot, so you have to be careful. This will sit out on my patio, well, my porch. Be right back. We're going to do our next candle. So we follow the same steps. Okay, so we're getting ready to do our second pour. This one I'm going to use 2 of the wicks with it, and I set them in the bowl where I wanted them to be. And this is the bowl that has the beige and the cream at the top. So, and I'm setting it on here so it doesn't, because it's hot, and this allows me to move it around easier without touching the bowl, which will be hot from the wax. So I set this in here, and I've got my other one over there just cooling. So let's get ready to pour this one. you have it. We've created 3 candle bowls that will go on our porch. And this one is setting up pretty well. So I'm gonna let them set up overnight, and then I'll come back and look at them and see how I like them. And this is something simple that you can do at home with some old candles that you have, even candles at the end of your candle jar. You can melt those down and repurpose them. So this is an easy DIY that you can do. You can create your own candles from candles that you already have, and it'll be less expensive. You can get the bowls pretty cheap. They even have bowls at the dollar store that you can get, and just try your hand at it. Let me know if you like this. If this is something that you like, go ahead and hit that like button for me. And if you like what we have on our channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any videos that we upload. I thank you guys so much for stopping by and hanging with me today as I tackle this project. From simple candles that I already had, and bowls that I purchased for $2, and some wicks for $5. I pretty much created something that I wanted to my taste. These are bowls that I like. So this is gonna look wonderful on my porch in my eyes. So stay tuned for that porch review, and we'll see you there. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this, and if this is something that you're going to try or something you've already tried, and if you have some other suggestions for me as far as the candles, something that you may have tried that you would like to share with our community. Go ahead and leave it in the comments. I look forward to speaking with you there. Guys, have a very, very blessed day. Thanks for stopping by. Talk to you soon. See you later.